how to check your differential 101. First of all, you open your hood. Second of all, you discover there's a big ass hole in it. Third of all, you get inside it. You sit down, just like me, and holy fuck. Dave, can I take this differential?
Why?
Because it's brand new.
No.
Dude, just look at it.
Good morning, everybody. Look what I've done. Say good morning.
You look like a dumbass. Please don't.
All right, shut the f up. We brought the second car here as well. We're gonna go and bring some straps so that we can pull the front out a bit so that we can turn on the engine. And let's start on this build, shall we? We're very late on the video productions thanks to this idiot.
Learn Premiere Pro, mate.
We're still waiting for the parts for my car. The trunk hasn't arrived yet. It's been over a month and a half and it's getting frustrating at this point. But I don't know. Yeah, let's turn on the beast and go. So he's taking off the front hood so that we can pull this out. We can pull this section out. And after we've pulled this out, we're going to be checking the engine so we can try and turn it on. So let's see how that goes down. Oh, no. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Good boy. Go away. Ah, fuck's sakes, dude. Jesus. It's not food. I think I know what the problem is with your car and why it's not turning on.
Why?
It's leaking oil.
Wow! Oh my god!
Swear to God. Did you take it off? Where is it, boy? Dante. Dante. Look at your beautiful eyes. Dante. Oh, he opened it. Ah, Mare. Turn it off. Let's see if he's gonna turn it off or not. Abris. Yeah, take off the keys. Come on, come here. Nice, he didn't fuck up my car. I swear he's the only guy who knows how to lock the car without destroying it. You slam it like it's...
Dude,
there's no
all
tomorrow.
my life I had two cars, a Toyota Starlet of 83 models and a
Yeah,
Nissan
I'm sorry,
Sonata.
this is a 2003 model.
I don't give a damn. If I want to close the door easily, I will buy it.
Beauty. You done?
Only one bolt left. Problem is that with not the right tools, I cannot do anything fast now. I need a wrench.
So you're still not done.
Still not done, buddy. Still not done. One day I will be done by your bullshit.
With your bullshit. And second of all, this isn't my bullshit, it's your bullshit.
Excuse me, Mr. Mexico. I don't know what I said there.
I know, you racist bastard. You do know that I love to break stuff, right?
I can see that from our second video of the house, you breaking the window.
Oh yeah, by the way guys, I love breaking. Like this car's windshield, I broke it. If you ever have anything you want to break, just send it over to me. I'll make sure that it gets broken. I adore breaking shit. Isn't that right?
Yeah, no shit, buddy.
You done?
Buddy, you peed on my...
He peed on you?
Son of a bitch. Boy, you peed on my... Get the hell away from me, dumbass.
Look. When dogs, bro, on this channel, you have hoods falling on your head, dogs peeing on you.
Get this shit away from me. You fucking dog pissed on me. Get the hell away from me.
He loves you.
Get the hell away from me.
He loves you. Bartan, how does it feel like to be peed on?
Fuck you, mom. One day I'm gonna pee on you in your sleep.
Dante, who did you pee on? Who did you pee on? Only on this channel where you see us working on 3 fucked up BMWs.
Where you see an engineer of aircraft working on a fucking BMW and a dog peeing on it. This is exactly what I need, right?
Yeah, the only channel you can see 3 fucked up BMWs, an aircraft engineer getting peed on by a...
Fucking
What
dog.
the fuck is this? An aircraft engineer being peed on by a dog and me breaking shit. I had to do that, I'm sorry. What's the situation?
But you can't see it.
What if we... Wait a second, what if we pulled from here?
No, it just won't work.
Why?
You need to pull from here.
Yeah, but for starters, if we pulled from there, what do you think?
For starters, we can't. It just won't budge. It's not something you can pull with.
Well, we have 2.5 engine. Let's try that. Oh, we need this one. We need this one.
Of course we need it. We're gonna change it.
By the way, guys. Yup, it happened again. I fucking hate whoever did this. I hope you burn in hell. They stole my logo. So guys, this is how you DIY pull out a damaged car. I don't advise you doing this because if something goes wrong, it can damage both the cars. Well, I don't give a fuck if it damages that car, but it might damage your car. And worst case scenario, it might hit you in the face and take you to the hospital. So don't try this at home unless you're an idiot or you're an idiot. All right? So yeah, let's see. It's tying it up right now, and let's get this baby pulled. And that's how you use 200 powers to pull out a damaged car.
So guys, when Dave apparently was pulling my cars,
I fucked it up!
you
That was
fuck,
the best fucking shit
he raped it. Look what the fuck you did, guys.
Dude, I was like, I'm pulling, and I was just spinning wheels in the back, and then I was like, fuck it, I put it on drive, came a bit forward, and then drove it back.
Dude,
That's what 200 fucking horsepower does, baby. Fuck yeah, I want to do it again. Can we do it again?
No, man.
Is it good? Did I did good?
No, you did bad.
Why?
I only wanted 5 centimeters in the up front. You took it off.
That was the best shit ever!
Well,
So,
you started it. Finish
nice.
it. Finish it.
Can I do it?
Yeah, finish
Fuck
it.
yeah, film it.
Go.
Dave!
Hayvan. Arçelik lan.
Şer Ermeni inşaatçı nerek niye?
Gel arçelik vur. Get the hell away from your man. Okay, so broke it off. Broke this off. And Dante's loose.
That's the way, I like it,
How the hell are we going to put it back in?
Yeah, that too. But that was awesome. Let's do it again!
Look at it. Look.